When I read a book, I read it from blank to blank, cover to cover, beginning to end, first page to last page. Correct answer is cover to cover. Cover to cover is the idiom meaning to read the whole book. The other options are understandable but not idiomatic. The way to success is blank with many sacrifice, covered, paved, filled. The correct answer is paved. We use the fixed expressions paved with to describe a path or way. So, the way to success is paved with many a sacrifice is correct. If you want to improve your English, you must practice blank day by night, day and night, night and noon. Correct answer is day and night. Day and night is the fixed phase meaning continuously. The other options are incorrect. I was very nervous, but finally I decided to take the chance, leap, jump. The correct answer is leap. Take the leap means to take a bold or risky decision. Take the chance is different in meaning, and take the jump is not used. He explained the matter in very simple language in blank. Black and white, easy words, plain English. Correct answer is plain English. Plain English means simple, clear words. The others are not natural expressions. She learned the poem by blank. Head, heart, mind. Correct answer is heart. By heart means memorized fully. The other options are wrong. When he told the joke, everyone burst into blank. Laughter, smiling, fun. The correct answer is laughter. The phrase is burst into laughter. The others are incorrect. When you read quickly to get the main idea, you skim, scan, or scribble. Correct answer is skim. Skim, quick reading for general idea. Scan, look for details. Scribble, write carelessly. When you write notes in class, the best word is copy, take, or make. The correct answer is take. Take notes is the most natural phrase. Copy notes and make notes are less common. To repeat a text in your own words is to paraphrase, memorize, decorate. Correct answer is paraphrase. Paraphrase expresses the same meaning in new words. Memorize means learn by heart, not rewrite. Decorate is unrelated here. The title of the book is written on the spine, hand, bottom. The correct answer is spine. The spine is the edge of the book where title or author is printed. The other options are meaningless here. Your behavior is rude. You should blank. Ignore it, apologize, repeat it. The correct answer is apologize. Apologize here, when someone's behavior is rude, the correct and polite action is to apologize. Option A, ignore it doesn't correct the behavior. Or option C, repeat it is wrong and makes the situation worse. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and improving your English every day. Follow for more updates, BrightMind English, and subscribe, like, share. Watch next video. Practice a little every day and become confident in English.